How to create a pop-up promotion and Wix. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can just head over and click on this add elements option. Now from in there, you should be able to see some other more options right here. So what we can do is we can just head over and then search in here for a custom element called Lightbox. So click on the search in here for that. And then once you have searched for it, it should be able to appear onto your search bar. So while that's loading, you can see this promotion light boxes. So click on that. It's under the interactive and you can just add which promotion you want. For example, we have a new this final sale. Let's just drag and drop it onto this part. And it will actually add onto this part. And whenever we scroll to this part of the website, this will actually just show up onto this. So that's how you create a pop-up promotion on Wix. Hope you helped.